We're here at Splash EMEA to talk about the OneStream platform and how it truly unlocks the potential for finance AI.
This is a huge event, getting the finance community together really to talk about the issues facing the industry. It's great to see so much talking and networking going on.
We value our customers so much, and really this is the one occasion of the year where we get to come together and really get energy from the feedback that we have from our customers and hear what they want us to do next.
I come to Splash mostly for networking, to connect with other customers, but we also get a lot of information because there's a lot of new products being introduced. We can do even more with our OneStream platform.
One announcement I was really excited about was Sensible AI and the agents as well.
I'm particularly excited about Genesis.
The opportunity to use the different agents gives the financial analyst at your fingertips.
They're innovating so fast, so we have to come to these events just to keep up to date on all the newest things.
AI is going to be fundamental to how women in finance progress in their careers as we look at how OneStream can take finance further.
Today has been a fantastic event. It's always such a positive experience for our customers, partners and employees as well.
It's a great event. I'm really excited and I can't wait to come back.